Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to hide the adverts in Outlook in 2026. Now, ads usually appear in the free Outlook accounts, but there are a few simple ways to remove or minimize them. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open the Outlook application on your computer, or you can also open it in your web browser. Now, once you are inside the Outlook dashboard, you just have to click on the option of Inbox. In the inbox, if you see the ads at the top or the side, it means that you are using the free version of Outlook. The only permanent way to remove the ads completely is by upgrading to the Microsoft 365 subscription. Once you sign in and here, once you have the paid account, Outlook will automatically remove all of the advertisements. If you don't want to upgrade, you can reduce the ads visibility by going to the settings, then go to the mail section. Over here, you need to turn off the focused inbox. So ads often appear more aggressively when the focused inbox is enabled. Next, simply go to the view settings. Here in the view settings, you just have to simply switch to the compact view. So once you switch to the compact view, it reduces the space ads that are taken on your screen. In the new Outlook, you can also click on the three dots menu and go to the layout and disable the show promotional messages. So this also hides the promoted emails that look like ads. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.